Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn playing with numbers together, step by step. Numbers hide patterns in how they divide. We'll explore factors, multiples, primes, and find the HCF and LCM of numbers. A factor divides a number exactly with no remainder. A multiple is what you get from its times table. 12's factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. A prime has exactly two factors, 1 and itself. A composite has more. 1 is neither prime nor composite, and 2 is the only even prime. Quick tests save time. Divisible by 2 if it ends even. By 3 if the digit sum is. By 5 if it ends in 0 or 5. By 10 if it ends in 0. For 12 and 18, factorize into primes. The HCF takes the lowest powers, 2 times 3, 6. The LCM takes the highest, 4 times 9, 36. To recap, factors divide exactly. Multiples come from times tables. Primes have just two factors, and HCF and LCM come from the lowest and highest prime powers. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.